Hi guys, it's Christina with the Geocache family. I wanted to give you an update of my seedlings and what we have been doing here. I am currently working on snapdragons, and let me show you how good they are looking. I am impressed. So about a week and a half ago, I cut off the stem right there, and now it's branching with two. So all of them, they still ended up getting a little bit taller than I had hoped. I probably should have cut them down here a little bit more, but it was my first time trying it, so I was nervous. But everywhere that I cut off now, I've got two more branches coming up. One of my favorite flower farmers taught me that you can kind of tell the color of your snapdragons based on the upper leaves. And so this one is probably going to be yellow or white, whereas that one is going to be red, purple, darker colored ones. So I thought that was absolutely fascinating. So you can see all the red tinted ones versus the green ones. Kind of cool. We got ranunculus planted outside. They are doing well and already starting new growth. The snapdragons that the sheep and bunnies decimated, my first 200 of them, I thought there was no hope. I actually was out there watering and looked, and they are coming back up. So I'm going to get out there and fertilize them. Probably not today because the weather sucks. My spine is very angry right now. But I got to take care of house stuff today. So today is watering day for all the seedlings anyway. And I'm planting more. But these are marigolds. So I have my giant marigolds, which are these guys, but they're even taller, that Naya took out already. I have my Queen Sophias, which were here, which I have a few more of them that came up. That I need to transplant, but the bunnies ate them down to nubbins. They had flowers and everything on them. And then these are a couple more of the Kilimanjaro whites that came up. So they're doing great. But if you look over here, I've got babies like everywhere. These guys, I'm going to have to start again. They are not doing well. So they do not like tray planting. This is the flax, so I will start them again. But these are different types of dianthus. These are the calendulas. I think these are my carnations, my asters. These are different types of daisies. I don't remember what these guys were on this end. Phlox. These guys are different types of phlox. These are my Lizzies, my cotton. These are poppies. And then more snaps, bachelor buttons, more poppies, and sweet peas with a rogue hollyhock in there. So that is that first shelf unit. I just did a tray of peppers, 20 varieties of peppers started in this one. These guys are my dahlias. These were some peppers that I only had a few seeds left, so coral bells and poblanos. I've had horrible germination of those every single year, so I figured I'd try the rest of them in a bag and see what they do. And then this one is status, more snaps. These are Chinese lanterns, a few stalks. I can't remember what these are. I'll have to flip those around. These are more different types of poppies, more status, different colors. These are the Rudbeckias and Black-Eyed Susans. These are the tomatoes, which I need to get separated. They're going nuts. And then these are alyssums and baby's breath. And then more hollyhocks. So I'm trying to do as much as I can today of watering inside. That's why the lights aren't on, because LED lights, even though they're not supposed to get hot when you have this many of them, they do get warm, and they're already kind of dry, and so I don't want them drying out anymore while I'm picking bad leaves out and trying to get everybody watered. So that's what I'm working on, is that, and then starting all of my warmer weather stuff and a few more of my herbs. But it is awesome to know that these guys recover very fast. Like these ones, the dog's tail's busted. They're doing great. So these are my Tetra Giants, my Tall Mix, and Tall Deluxe Snapdragons. Yeah, they're doing great. These seeds all got wet, and so I've got to try doing them into paper towels and see if they germinate, see if I saved them or not. But yeah, everybody is doing pretty good. I got to start getting these bottom tray things emptied out here so I can put extra seedlings down there, move lights around a little bit. I don't need lights all the way down there because the pig can grab them too easy. And look at the box my friend got me. Aren't those the cutest? She was telling my daughter I could put my seeds in there, and my daughter jokingly said, well, maybe just the sunflower seeds, because we have a huge bin of seeds. I'm actually very excited to get the tomatoes separated out so I can see how many germinated. I have to take some Tylenol though. Whew, it hurts. It's happiness though. Oh my gosh, it's so happiness. I love my babies. Alright, so I will show you when I'm all done how I did. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, you want another cool thing that I learned that I had to test myself? Sweet peas. If you pinch off the tops of them, you can root them and plant them, and then it makes the ones that you're planting in the ground branch out more, and then you have twice as many. So check this out. You see the roots? Totally worked. Totally. So I need to get these guys out, honestly. We are in this weird space of it is warm one day, which if it's warm outside, it means it's kind of hot in the greenhouse. And then some days it's wicked cold. And so we're in this weird place that I can't like plant everything. So I gotta play around with it. But oh, the winds are strong today. They're strong. I'm not used to living in the plains at all. Old, from the previous owners, they had some kind of a garden there, and the plastic is literally being ripped up and blown. Man, it looks like it's hardly held there at all. I may have to have the kids go and actually grab that. Yeesh. That could cause a wreck if it gets loose. Dang it. I tell you, there's never a moment's rest. I did not realize how much work. I thought I realized it, but now that I'm living it, I did not realize how much work came with having a farm and a homestead. So yeah, fun times. All right, I'll be back in a little bit. Oh, Mapes, you killed her! You killed her! He's actually walking on it pretty good today.
Yeah, not too bad.
I don't think Naya gave him any pain meds. Nah, you don't go nowhere, buddy. Yeah, you're still limping. Mouse decided to sneak out on Ashley the other day. And he's only gone the day, came home in the evening, barely walking. He got into a fight with somebody. Huh, buddy? Mouse, come here. Look at your foot. Yeah. He's still so swollen. It actually looks a lot better, though. Hey, we're going to build you an outdoor kitty cat run, okay? Where do you think you're going? He will definitely like an outdoor run.
It still won't be big enough to want the outdoors.
Oh, I know.
He's a wild cat.
But he's going to have to learn just like Stuart did. Our kitties don't run.
Especially since he's positive for the
Yep, he's
feline.
positive for the feline HIV. Yep, we can't let you going through the neighborhood and causing no more drama. All right, so we are tackling this today. We have got to get the birds moved out. It's getting too hot in the greenhouses, and I need to plant things, and I can't plant things with the birds because they keep eating things. So we took the chicken wire down. We're going to put a taller one up, but then finish raking out the inside. The kids did a pretty good job cleaning it out yesterday. We just got to get these nasty shelves out. It's just gross. It's disgusting. So, husband says we'll leave the vertical ones. We'll take out the horizontals because it's just gross. Try and get the rest of the bigger pieces and clumps out. And then we're going to try and spray it and see if it doesn't help settle it and clean it up a little. And then we can put some diatomaceous earth down and some fresh wood shavings, just a little bit on the floor. It looks like the floor is metal. So as much as I don't want to do this job and I'd much rather be inside planting, we've got to get this done, because the sooner I can get this done, the sooner I can start transplanting into the greenhouse. This is today and tomorrow's project. And it's just gross. We're wearing masks, and thankfully we've got the roll-off that we can put all the trash into, and maybe just till it a little bit and even the ground out some. Oh my word. I think this is cement all the way inside of this loafing shed. So we're going to get all of this yuck out of here, move it to the back side of the property so it can keep decomposing, and then see what we have in here. This would be fantastic. Kind of nice having a magnetic phone case. Just stand at the bottom of that. She's making me nervous. Oh, so gross. And we do have a cement slab all the way to the edge of this. So we're just removing some of the deep litter and moving it out front for now. And then we can spray the heck out of that. We're going to take the door down because the door no longer closes. Go ahead and shut it for a second. Yeah, it doesn't line up. It will not shut at all. And I'm pretty sure it's because the tree moved this whole corner in some. So we're just going to build a wooden one for now.
Kind of looks slanted.
Yeah, it did. It shoved the whole corner of this. Already, vast improvement. We don't want the girls sitting on the very top up there, so we're taking those shelves out. We're gonna try and spray this and see if it cleans up before we totally take them out. Because it'd be nice if they could just use them. What are you doing? Hmm? He's the supervisor. Are you supervising? I kind of like that we have the pine trees. I like having them because it's like being in the mountains without being in the mountains. Bless you. Look at that He-Man. I said, look at that He-Man. Oh, it's going. I saw it move. Come on, sort in the stone. Do it! Do it! Quick, before he comes back. Quick, come on. Show him up. Come on, do it. Oh, you almost had it. You almost had it. Dang it. Sharp.